10 2017 Ford Explorer Key Fob Battery 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Buick Key Fob CR 2032 Battery Replacement. Don't let a dead key fob leave you stranded. Our Rome Tech CR 2032 battery replacement is engineered specifically for your Buick. Compatible with LaCrosse 2005 to 2019, Regal 2011 to 2017, and Verano 2012 to 2017 models. Ensure a perfect fit by checking your car's year and matching your fob to our guide image. This premium lithium 3V coin battery delivers consistent, reliable power, so your key fob works precisely when you need it most. Designed to endure extreme temperatures, vibrations, and impacts, it promises lasting performance and peace of mind. Experience uninterrupted access and enjoy a long-lasting, dependable solution. Get one reliable Rome Tech CR 2032 battery and regain seamless control of your Buick. Number 9. Cadillac Key Fob Replacement Batteries 5X CR 2032. Has your Cadillac key fob lost its spark? Say goodbye to frustrating dead batteries with our 5-pack of premium CR 2032 lithium button batteries. Engineered for lasting performance. Each 3V, 240 mAh cell provides the reliable energy your key fob and many other electronics like scales, thermometers, and watches demands. These are more than just replacements. They're a power upgrade. Designed for a perfect fit and broad compatibility, they seamlessly replace 2032, DL 2032, ECR 2032, and many more. With 5 batteries at your fingertips, you'll always have a spare, ensuring you're never left powerless. Keep your Cadillac connected and your essential devices running strong, confidently. Number 8. 2032 Lithium Batteries. AirTag, Key Fob, Child Safe, 4-pack. Elevate your everyday reliability with our 2032 lithium batteries, 4-pack. Specifically engineered for consistent, long-lasting power, these are the ideal choice for your Apple AirTag, essential key fobs, and a range of other smart devices. We understand safety is paramount, which is why each battery features a non-toxic bitter taste coating on both sides and comes in child-secure packaging, offering unparalleled peace of mind in homes with little ones. You'll appreciate the dependable performance and our robust 10-year storage guarantee, ensuring they're always ready when you need them most. Invest in the trusted power that keeps your most important gadgets running smoothly. Number 7. CR 2032 Car Key Fob Batteries. Don't let a dead car key fob leave you stranded. The Rome Tech CR 2032 Car Key Fob Battery offers dependable, uninterrupted access for a wide range of Chevy models. Just confirm with Image 2 for a perfect match. This RTB-CR 2032 Lithium 3V battery delivers lasting power and unwavering reliability. Enjoy extended, worry-free use. Your key fob will perform exactly when needed most. Built to withstand extreme temperatures, vibrations, and impacts, it handles daily life with ease, providing consistent performance. Its versatility extends to powering many other electronics, making it a smart choice. Get back in control with Rome Tech. Number 6. Chrysler Key Fob Battery Replacement, CR 2032. Don't let a dead key fob leave you stranded. Restore instant access to your vehicle with the Rome Tech CR 2032 battery, precisely engineered for a wide range of Chrysler models, including Pacifica, 300, and Town & Country. Always double-check your model and match your fob with Image 2 for perfect compatibility. This isn't just any battery. It's a premium 3V lithium power source designed for consistent, long-lasting performance. Ensure your key fob always responds precisely when you need it most, preventing unexpected lockouts. Enjoy peace of mind knowing its robust construction withstands extreme temperatures, vibration, and impact, truly built tough for daily life. Plus, its versatile power can rejuvenate other essential devices like watches or fitness trackers. Get back on the road with dependable access today. Number 5. Duracell CR 2025 Lithium Coin Battery, Child Safe for Key Fobs. Keeping your key fob powered is essential, but if you have little ones around, safety is paramount. That's why the Duracell CR 2025 Lithium Coin Battery is engineered with families in mind. Beyond delivering dependable, long-lasting power for your key fobs, remote controls, and other vital devices, these batteries feature a non-toxic, bitter coating on both sides, making accidental ingestion less likely. Plus, our child-secure packaging requires scissors to open, adding another crucial layer of protection. You can count on Duracell for consistent, reliable performance, backed by a 10-year storage guarantee, so they're always ready. As the #1 trusted battery brand, we ensure quality and your peace of mind. Number 4. Duracell CR 2025 Child-Safe Lithium Batteries. Duracell CR 2025 Child-Safe Lithium batteries are the ideal choice for powering critical devices like key fobs, small electronics, and essential medical equipment. Engineered for lasting performance, they deliver the consistent power you depend on. A key feature is their child-safe packaging, providing an essential layer of security and peace of mind. Beyond the product, we offer these premium batteries at a truly competitive price, ensuring exceptional value. Our reliable delivery options mean your essential power arrives precisely when you need it. Plus, our dedicated customer service team is always ready to assist, making your entire purchase experience truly worry-free. Choose Duracell for trustworthy power and service you deserve. Number 3. Toyota Yaris Key Fob CR 2025 Battery Replacement. Is your Toyota Yaris Key Fob acting up? Ensure seamless access with our Roam Tech CR 2025 Battery Replacement. Perfectly compatible with your Toyota Yaris, 2016 to 2019, Yaris IA, 2017 to 2018, or Scion, 2016, Key Fob. Remember to double-check your specific model and match your fob, see Image 2, for a guaranteed fit. These aren't just any batteries. Engineered for lasting power, they significantly outlast standard CR 2025s, reducing replacement hassle and saving you money. You'll receive 2 reliable, robust cells built to withstand extreme temperatures, impacts, and daily wear. Trust in consistent performance that keeps you connected to your car, anytime, anywhere. Experience dependable convenience and peace of mind. Number 2. GM Key Fob Battery Replacement. Is your GM Key Fob losing its spark? Don't get caught locked out. Our Roam Tech CR 2032 battery is the ultimate replacement, restoring seamless access to your vehicle. Engineered for a vast array of Chevrolet and GMC models, from the Silverado and Sierra to the Acadia and Yukon, please verify compatibility for your specific year. This 3V lithium power cell delivers unwavering performance. You can trust its consistent output to always work when you need it most. Built to endure, it withstands extreme temperatures, vibrations, and impacts, ensuring reliability no matter the conditions. Plus, its versatility extends to watches and other electronics. Get back on the road with confidence and convenience. Number 1. Ford CR 2450 Key Fob Batteries. Is your Ford Key Fob losing its spark? Power up with the Roam Tech CR 2450 battery, specifically engineered for a wide range of Ford models like the Bronco, F-Series, Edge, Explorer, and Fusion, 2017 to 2025. Always double-check your model and year for a perfect fit. Our CR 2450 Lithium 3V batteries are designed for enduring performance, offering consistent power that you can trust. Say goodbye to unreliable key fob responses. This battery ensures flawless operation every single time. Built to withstand extreme temperatures, vibrations, and daily impacts, it performs reliably no matter the conditions. Plus, its versatility extends beyond your car, powering watches, fitness trackers, and other electronics. Experience dependable access and ultimate peace of mind. So, that sums up my 2017 Ford Explorer Key Fob battery. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time.